if you guys are mining KASPA, please don't do it on Woolly Pulley. Try to decentralize the hash rate at 78.4% on Woolly Pulley, and that's not good. All right, make sure you switch off to another mining pool like ACC, Hash Pool, KASPA Pool, any other pool, just not Woolly Pulley. Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day. All right, this video, just wanted to talk about KASPA as a lot of people seem to be mining it now, and I just wanted to reiterate, a few things regarding WhatToMine and the numbers, how they are probably not correct and not at the efficient numbers that you can get. All right, I've been seeing a lot of people now talk about KASPA a little bit more because as of the past 24 hours, as of recording, it's just gone up 32%. Over the past 7 days, though, it has been having a runaway here against every other proof of work coin that I have on my list here, the Red Panda Mining proof of work watch list on CoinMarketCap. I'll have it linked down below in case people want to see this watch list. I just have a bunch of like proof of work coins I follow, and yeah, the past 7 days, KASPA has been having a runaway here, 61%. And the past 24 hours, I would say, yeah, we got Meow Coin here, we got Pigeon Coin, Expanse, Flux going up a bit, Star Coin, Etho, Raven Coin a little bit, 5%, and so on. But I would say majority, a lot of the other proof of work coins, like we got Neoxa down here, 38%, 42% now as of recording, and a bunch of other proof of work coins. So yeah, it's just, as the market seems to be, everyone knows what's been happening recently. But even with all the FTX news, all that kind of stuff, KASPA has been going up. All right. And I remember they used to be like top 300 market cap. Now they're at 237. So they're gaining quite fast here in terms of market cap. And so thus that means, profitability for mining with GPUs is going to be great. Now, dependent on how many people actually move over to mining KASPA, begs the question, right? The difficulty of KASPA continues to rise. Okay, so looking at the network hash rate right now for KASPA, yeah, it's just going higher and higher and higher as obviously people are seeing it to be profitable. And for those that have been keeping up with the channel, you guys may have seen the video talking about, I did the video called So Much More Efficiency Mining KASPA. Here's how. And this video has been gaining even more ground the past couple of days because people have been wanting to figure out how to get more efficiency. And thank you to the gentleman on the Flux Discord, link down below. You guys should go join the Flux Discord. There's a gentleman there that can help anyone regarding, all these types of overclocks for getting more efficiency for mining KASPA, but mainly for Flux as well. And I think these settings actually do help with Flux a bit. And stay tuned. I do want to do a video with that gentleman. We're going to try to figure out the dual mining for Radiant and ZIL, and I believe KASPA and ZIL, and maybe Flux and ZIL as well. That might be potentially possible. So that might be something that could even gain even more profitability for your GPUs and whatnot. But yeah, guys, I have a little giveaway announcement that I want to play here, and then we'll come back to WhatToMine. I want to show you guys my GPUs and efficiencies and stuff. So here's the giveaway from
OVERCLOCKS and 9 other YouTubers are going to be giving away 10 prizes to 10 lucky winners. Each YouTuber has their own custom design that has been created and will be available for sale starting on November 1st. There will only be 50 shirts of each design available to buy. Each t-shirt purchase will be worth 50 entries, without any limit on the number of shirts you can buy. You don't want to purchase a shirt? No problem, we got you covered. There are free ways to enter just by clicking the Gleam URL link down below in the description. We will also be giving away a portion of the proceeds to the Water Project Incorporated, a 501c3 nonprofit organization unlocking human potential by providing reliable water projects to communities in sub-Saharan Africa who suffer needlessly from a lack of access to clean water and proper sanitation. The Community CryptoTuber 500 giveaway will run from November 1st to November 29th. Those will be the available dates to enter. We will be having a live stream on YouTube to select the winners randomly using Gleam on Wednesday, November 30th. Good luck!
All right, so with KASPA heading up in terms of profitability, I would say majority of people are going to WhatToMine and just hitting their GPUs like a 3070, hitting calculate, and they're just saying, oh, it makes about only 7 cents. But what if I told you, right, once you've done the efficient numbers using the the efficiency numbers from the gentleman that we figured out a couple days ago, 6 days ago, is that we can get even more efficiency out of your GPUs, especially the 30 series and also 20 series cards we talked about in that video. So I have 2 examples here. My 20 series rig here, and really efficient. I'm going to plug in all the numbers, all the hash rate into WhatToMine, and the power consumption, which is true at the wall because I have an OctaMiner. It shows the power consumption of each of the power supplies, which is nice. Okay, someone was asking me that, and no, this is only tied to the OctaMiner server case that I'm using. They have full integration in Hive OS to show the exact power consumption at the wall. All right, not just the software wattage, but we're talking about the power consumption at the wall. All right, so OctaMiner holds true to this, and I have verified that many times in many of my previous videos last year utilizing OctaMiners. Okay, so let's just go here. I'm gonna just plug in, let's say my 3070 efficiency that I can get is about 438 mega hash at 55 watts. So if I go to WhatToMine, you can see that WhatToMine here shows 530, but at 140 watts. Okay, and that shows that we can get 7 cents currently, all right, as of the average the past 24 hours. At my kilowatt hour, USD 8 cents, and Canadian is about 11 cents. But now let me go ahead and plug in the exact numbers I can achieve myself here, which is 438.9. So let's put that in, 438.9. And then the power consumption is 55 watts. Okay, so let's go back to WhatToMine. We're going to plug that in. You can see we're going from 140 on WhatToMine to 55. Hit calculate. Look at this. Now my GPU went from 7 cents to 17 cents. Of course, we are getting less of the yield, but we are paying a lot less for electricity. So you guys understand what's happening here. This is much better. And now, for example, if I put in my whole rig here, my whole 30 series rig, which I'm getting about 4.274 mega hash. So let's put that in 4274. And the power consumption at the wall is going to be 883. So we're going to put that in 883. Hit calculate. That whole 30 series rig is profitable at $1.01 right now. Wow. During this time, during this crazy time. Obviously, I would say by the time you guys see this video, I'm going to say a lot more people are going to, flock over to mining KASPA. The difficulty is going to start going higher. Network hash rate is going to go higher. And we're probably going to see equilibrium. I don't know, maybe the next couple days potentially. Or, I mean, I've been seeing, recently as well, a lot of people disinterested in mining. So a lot of people don't care anymore to be mining. And, yeah, that's true. Like I've been seeing it, like a couple of videos I explained a couple videos back. I've been getting more unsubscribers. People are leaving the space. Like I said, yeah, as we are the state of the markets that we are in today. It's been pretty negative, right? It's been pretty negative, and so it makes sense that a lot of people are no longer interested. And I'm going to say also as well, their electrical costs, because there's a lot of people that don't have 8 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents. A lot of people out there have like 25, 30, 35 cents per kilowatt hour. And those people are going to be really, really, I would say, emotionally stressed, disinterested in mining. And so, it really depends how many people are going to come in. I would say most of you guys who watch me are maybe going to mine, and judging by the efficiency video I did 6 days ago, which got 15K views, it's doing pretty well, and it continues to do really well to this day. So that means a lot of people are potentially mining KASPA now and seeing the benefit there, which here you can see the block reward for KASPA is 311.13. Circulating supply at the moment is 14 billion KASPA. Hash rate right now is 279 as of recording, terahash. And market cap is 95.9 million. So pretty interesting, right? Pretty interesting. Total supply for KASPA is 28.7 billion coins with an emission schedule that has once per year via smooth monthly reductions by a factor of this. So yeah, so within a year, I think there's going to be a halving coming up. So interesting, right? No pre-mine, no zero pre-sales, no coin allocations. KASPA is 100% decentralized, open source, and community managed, which is awesome. Okay, and they have this, yeah, you guys can read this here. Anyways, guys, yeah, that's what I wanted to show mainly. I know a lot of people who go to WhatToMine, they don't put in their exact numbers, especially with the new efficiency that we can achieve with these lock core clocked and lock mem clock settings here utilizing BZ Miner for the 30 series cards. I personally have not tried out any of my AMD cards. I think AMD cards are still better in terms of efficiency on like ProgPal variant coins like Firo or Raven Coin or Meow Coin, the Oxa. They all share the same algorithm, I believe. So yeah, go watch that video. It's on my main front page on home. You guys will see it right there if you want to gain more efficiency on your 20 series cards and 30 series cards. And I forgot to do the example of my 20 series cards if they're profitable. So all of them, right? If I type in 3079 into WhatToMine, so let's do 3079 at the power consumption for this whole rig is 660. So if I put 660 here, calculate 8-cent kilowatt hour, that 20 series rig is profitable at this moment at 68 cents. Okay, at this moment. But I'm going to assume, like I said before, the hash rate is going to jump up. Difficulty is going to go up. So it's going to be up to you guys if you want to get this all set up, get your wallet, all that stuff, get your HiveOS flight sheets, config settings. You guys are going to have to watch that video and join the Flux Discord because of the gentleman who figured that out for us. Really awesome. And okay, that's it, guys. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll update you if anything changes. But yeah, it looks like KASPA is going to be the most profitable one at this point in time. We'll see how long that lasts. I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Peace out.